Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video. Today we're making 3 different cakes. So this is part 1 of part 3. And we're gonna start with our lovely box cake. Alright, so first, we're not gonna change anything with this cake. This is gonna be made exact same way it is told to make on the package. So we're gonna first start by pouring in our mixture. There you go. Next, we need 3/4 cup of water. I'm just gonna dump it ever so slightly in the mixing bowl. And I have a helper helping me over here at the water because I didn't want to get up in the middle of the making. Alright, so you're gonna need 3/4 cup of water, all of your baking mixture that we've already poured into the bowl. And next, we're gonna need 3 large eggs. So this is where you gotta be extra careful. 3 eggs in there. Alright, and once you have your 3 eggs in your pan, you're gonna do your 7 tablespoons of melted butter. We put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds so it would soften. And now we're gonna mix this bad boy up. So now as we're mixing it, it's getting kind of thicker actually, which this is the proper cake recipe. And just so you guys know, we did preheat our oven to 350 degrees and we are going to spray the bottom of our pan once this mixture is fully smoothed and even. Make sure you're getting out all your clumps. You do not want the cake clumpy. Make sure you have it to be tasty and absolutely wonderful for our guests that are willing to try this cake. It's looking actually really, really, really good. So this is no change cake. It also smells good. It smells like vanilla. But here's what it looks like. I'm gonna finish mixing her up and then we'll move on to the next step. So what our instructions say, we're gonna use our olive oil spray to spray the pan. Make sure you're doing it around the edges too so your cake does not stick. Now, we have our mixture. It says once your mixture is complete, we're gonna pour right it into the pan. Like so. It looks beautiful. Alright, and then once our mixture is in the pan, we're going to be putting it in the oven for 28 minutes. So let's go put this in the oven real quick. Alright, and now we're going to wait for the cake to bake. And that was it for the first video. So once the cake is cool, by the way guys, we're going to take it out of the oven, let it cool for 15 minutes, and then decorate, and then we're going to enjoy it. So, thank you for watching.